A race happened, cross-country race, 30 racers, and one of those racers is Shelley, and she finished in the 80th percentile. How many people ahead of her? And then we are looking at the percentile rank of the person who came in first. Okay, so really two questions here, so let's break it up as such. And when we're told that she's in the 80th percentile, what should come to our mind is that 80% of the racers ended up below her. So let's see what that looks like. So 80% of, and there were 30 racers total, and that is equal to the number of people below. Okay, so let's work that out. So turn that into a decimal, and of is a multiplication, and 30, and we can figure that out as 24. So 24 people ended up behind her in this race. So and we're asked how many ended up ahead of her. So let's see if we can lay this out. Some people might find it useful to say, well, here's the order of people in this race, the first person and the last person, kind of like that. And so there's a group down here, and we just determined that that group is 24 people because Shelley fits right there, one person, and then the rest of the racers fit up there. And so we were told that there's a total of 30 racers, 24 there, 1 there, so that accounts for 25, and so that leaves 5 that were ahead of her. So we can conclude that 5 people ahead of her. And that answers that. So for part B, we're asked, now this is kind of almost a new question, is what is the percentile rank of the person who came in first? Okay, so percentile rank, again, is the number of people below or behind in this case. And so that would be, well, if there were 30 and this racer was in the lead, then that means 29 would be below. So we could say number below equals 29. Total equals 30. So if we are looking for the percentile rank for this person, then we would say 29 people below them or behind them divided by 30 total, and we would come up with 97. So percentile rank of 97 for that person who came in first. So as you can see, if there are more people, then coming in first, you're in a higher percentile ranking. You're ahead of more people. But that solves that one.